Hello, I'm Sunil Poddar. So today I'm going to give you some rules on the divisibility. So divisibility rule is the important concept. So in competitive examination we need to do all these things. So before proceeding to normal method in that we are taught in the schools, that is not enough in competitive, because you have to solve all the questions in a 1 minute. So you don't have a time to apply all the long concepts, means long methods. So before going to any Vedic math or the next concept, we have to know how can we divide any number by which with which number we do it easily. So today I tell you only about the divisibility rule from 1 to 13, so that it can be easy when we proceed in further lectures or videos. So let's understand how it works. Divisibility rule by 2. Any number whose last digit is even number. Any number whose last digit is even is divisible by 2. So let's take an example. 4, 2, 8. Here last digit means one's digit. Here it is 8. So you know, when you, as you study the multiplication of 2 from 2 to 10, so 8 is the divisible by 2. By 4. So 428 is divisible by 2. So any kind of number, you will get to know how it divisible by 2, and this is the most basic, so I don't think you have any problem in that. So then we go to 3. Let's take an example. Suppose you have given any number. When you add all single digit of that number, that is divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. Each are separate digits, so we have to add for this one. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, it is 12. So 12 is divisible by 4. So that digit is divisible by 3. Let's we come to 4. Number whose last two digits is divisible by 4 is divisible, comes to divisibility of 4.
So let's take an example. So this is the number. So we have to see the last two digit, that is 16. So 16 is divisible by 4. 4 4 ja 16. So this number is divisible by 4. So here last digit is 0 and here is 5. So we will easily comes to a decision that it is divisible by 5 when the last digit is either 0 or it is 5. So if you divide by 5, it will be easily divisible by 5. So the number can divisible by 2 and 3. The number can be divisible by 2 and 3. So let an example. 1 8 9 6 5 4. So here divisible by 2, as we know the 4 is here, so it is completely divisible by 2. For divisibility by 3, as you know, we have done 1 plus 8 plus 9 9 9 plus 9 18 18 plus 6 24 20 4 plus 9 it is 33. So it is divisible by 3. Rule for 7 and 30. The number to be divisible by 7. Here always what we have to do, the last 3 digit means this number 18424, we have to take last 3 digit first. Take last 3 digit of that number, then subtract rest of last 3 digits. From last 3 digit takes, let's solve it. 4 to 4, rest 18, we have to subtract. So result will come out 6 0 4. Divide this number 7. It's take a time in the competition, so it will be cumbersome. So here we have the result will be 406. So it will be easy to divide any 3 digit. 5 is 35. 7 8 is 56. So 3 4 2 1 6. The same rule is with it also. So the last 3 digit, then subtract rest digit. The rest digits are 34. We have to subtract. So answer after subtracting is 182. So now it has become a smaller digit, smaller number. So we have to divide this number by 13. So 13 1 13. And you know it goes by 4. So I hope for 8. Any number whose last 3 digit is divisible by 8 comes under divisibility rule of 8. So let's take an example also. Their number whose last digit is divisible by themselves. So in 8 also, any number whose last digit is divisible by itself, but here 3 digits will be considered. Any number is divisible by 9 if it is divisible by, so we have to add all digits and it should be divisible by 9. So let's take an example here. One 6 3 4 8 9 5. If you add each digit here, the sum will comes out 36. You have to add 1 6 3 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 5. So answer here is 36. So you know 9 divides 36. Add 4. So now you will understand doing that long digit division takes a time. So if you are smart enough, you will do such question easily in exam. 7 0. So the last digit always be 0. It can be divisible by 0. Divisible by 10. Now we comes to 4 for 11 divisibility rule. From even places or places from even places. Example, make it clear for you. 6, 4, 7, 5th, 7th. So we have to add up all these numbers. 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8, 8 plus 2. So your answer will be come out odd place. Your answer will come out 23. Now minus sum of even place. Even place are 2, 4, here 4, 3 plus 2 plus 3. These are even places. So your answer will comes out here 11. You have to subtract that. So after subtracting by 1, so it is completely this number is completely divisible by 11. Number to be divisible by 12, it should be divisible by 3 and 4. As you know, it must be divisible by 3 as well as 4. So for divisibility of divisibility rule for 3 is you have to add each and every digit of a number, then it must be divisible by 3. So if you add 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4, the answer here will be 21. And 21, you know, 21 is divisible by 3 from 7. Is solved. So now it must be divisible by 4 also to be complete divisible by. As you know, we have to take the last 2 digit and it must be divisible by 4 to be divisible by 4. So the last is 2 digit is 64. 13764. 64 is the last 2 digit. Divisible by 3 also and divided by 4 also. So 13764 is completely divisible by 12.
So I hope you like that video. If you like, please subscribe, share. Thank you.